Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. You are watching the business writing skills tutorial, and in this video you will learn about minutes of meeting. As in all the videos we learn format afterwards. Firstly we see that what does it mean. So in this video also we learn what are MOM. So meeting minutes can be defined as the written record of everything that was discussed during a meeting. Hence, meeting minutes are written in a meeting to inform people who didn't attend the meeting. Also, to keep track of what was decided during the meeting. So, I hope these three purposes are clear to you. Firstly, everything that was discussed, that is the issue raised, suggestions, decisions, task allotted, is written in MOM. Minute to minute thing that happened in a meeting is written for informing the people who are not present in the meeting. And also, if someone wants to refer to the previous meeting, then what is the proof that what happened to during that meeting, who made which suggestions and who took decisions. That is why it's a proper documentation of what happened in a meeting, that is proper minute to minute documentation. I hope you are cleared with what are MOM. Let's see the format of writing MOM. So, firstly, the name of the company is written to the top left, and to the top right, the date is written. The name of the company includes company name, address, PIN code, and contact number, the date on which the meeting is taking place. Now, to the left and to the right, then when the topic is written, it is written with center alignment. Then a table is made to mention the names and designation of the people who are attending the meeting. After writing those names, you have to write those names also who are not in the meeting because of some particular reason. Suppose accounts department meeting is going on. Some people are present from it and some are not. So you have to mention those names and designation also who are not present with the reason that why they are not in the meeting. So that when we refer to the previous meeting, we know that why they were not present. After writing these basic things, that is the date, attendee, and absentees, are the very basic things. You have to write the agenda, that is the main topic which needs to be discussed. Now you will be thinking that what's the difference between topic and agenda? So topic is like meeting these people at 5 p.m. This is the topic, and the agenda is the topic which needs to be discussed. That is the purpose of the meeting. Now, after writing these things, you have to write issues raised, suggestions. Now, issues raised and suggestions are also written in table as you wrote attendees and absentees, like with name, the issue raised, name, and the suggestions made. In this way, you clarify that if we refer to a meeting again, then we know that who made this suggestion and who rose that issue. Hence, issue raised and suggestions are very important column which you should not forget. Now, as I'm telling you this one by one, you should remember that they should be written in a sequential order only. That is after name, date, topic, and then only these things are written. Now let's see what are the last things to write MOM. Decisions and task allotted. Now decision is a one line thing, that is decision. This decision took place after the suggestions. When we discuss suggestions, there is a particular decision. No, that is why. And at last you have to write task allotted in a table. Name, task allotted. A meeting is concluded with allotting task. That means that you have to meet again after some time. So you have to write the date of future meetings also, that the task allotted have been completed or not, the suggestions made have been taken in care or not, the decision have been fulfilled or not. That is why future meetings are also planned. So you have to write that at last future meeting, the date and time decided for the next meeting. Hence, in this way, the minutes of meeting are concluded with tasks, future meetings, and decision. I hope you understood the proper format of writing MOM, and I think these three reasons which I told you in the starting have been clarified more clearly after seeing the format. That is, the purpose the absentees should know, and also to keep track. You can see on your screen that the attendees and absentees are written in this way. That is name and designation in a table, and absentees also with name, designation and reason. Now, I hope you understood that how to make this table and the roles of writing, that why they were absent and their designation. You can watch the next video for seeing the example of minutes of meeting. I hope you understood the whole concept of minutes of meeting. If you have any doubt regarding this video or any other video, you can mail us at our mail ID, that is nerd2ver@gmail.com. You can follow us on our social media handles Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to our videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with Nursery to Varsity.